How to optimize your YouTube videos for immediate ranking in 2019, coming right up. Hey, what's going on my friends? Miller Brady here and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your YouTube videos for best practices so that you'll be able to rank your videos much higher, or you can rank your videos on the first page on YouTube. And before we get on to the topic, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and we're going to be talking more about marketing, motivation, and mindset, because these are the three things that you need to learn in order to be successful online. And if you're interested in this type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the video. So how you can optimize your YouTube channel, because just uploading YouTube videos is not enough for your videos to be found, right? You have to do something that will let YouTube or Google find your videos based on the keywords that people are searching for, right? So just to show you as a proof that I know what I'm talking about, I actually went here, I opened up a Google Chrome in incognito mode, meaning I don't have any influence on this one, right? So it's totally, private kind of browsing. So I have my videos here. So I targeted this keyword, how to make 1,000 a day blueprint, right? So my video, if you can see it here, is on number 4. So meaning I was able to rank this video, even though if I just had like 3 views on this video, but I was able to rank this much higher than most videos here. And if I put here in 2019, I'm sure my video is going to be higher. Boom. Now it's number 3. So meaning if I know how to, put my videos on top on the search ranks so that your video is going to be will be visible, right? So people will actually see your videos. So there's a way for you to do that, and that is by optimizing your videos when you upload your video in YouTube, right? Because you don't just upload and just leave it there. No, you have, after shooting the video, after editing it, there's still a few things that you need to do in order for this to be possible, right? So, all right, so I'm here now on my whiteboard. So what are the things that you need to consider in order for your videos to be ranked, right? So number 1, most important thing, and I learned this a lot, and I heard a lot of people telling me that just search for keywords, right? Just search for keywords that will help rank your videos, right? So keywords, because keywords is the way YouTube or Google will be able to find your videos, right? So, but if you're just making videos out of random, people won't actually see that video, right? So that's makes your videos going to be you're gonna be hard to put views on your videos because there's no keywords on them. So how can you find keywords? The tool I use in doing keywords is that, let me go here on my Chrome, is that I use these keywords everywhere, right? You can it's a Google Chrome extension, right? So keywords everywhere, right? Just add this on your Google Chrome, so that will help you look for keywords. And if on your YouTube channel, right, on YouTube, you download vidIQ, right here, vidIQ. This is the one I use, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. So these are the tools extension that you need to install, especially in YouTube, right, so that you will know which keywords. So take for example, let's say how to make money. So if you see here, you can see here that there's a 9,900 per month search volume. So this is from the keywords everywhere. So when I click that, right, so you see now this is a high volume search, right, online. So but because a lot of people are searching it, it's too much people now are actually using that keyword, so the competition is going to be very it's going to be hard to rank your videos based on that keyword, right? So that's why you need to find small amount of keywords that will help you, have a good chance to rank your videos a little bit higher on the first page of YouTube. So take for example here, you can target this one, how to make money online UK, right? So there's 10 search volume, so meaning maybe not a lot of people. Another one is there's a good one online in Canada. There's 880 search volume. I think that's a good. Let's try that one. I think it's a good keyword. Yeah, so here, if you can see here, I don't know if you can see here. All right, so if you can see this one, it says this keyword has some competition, but also enough search volume to make worth targeting. So yeah, so vidIQ and TubeBuddy I highly recommend you install that in YouTube so that you will have, you know how to target those keywords. All right. So keywords is so important that you need to learn how important keywords is to rank your YouTube videos, right? And also, now that we're back on keywords, there are three parts on when you upload your videos. Okay, let's go back here. Let's upload a video. All right, so I'm gonna upload a video. I'm just gonna show you the parts on the uploading of the video, right? So let's see. All right, so you have title here, right? Description and tags. So what's so important here is that title, description, and tags is that if you're gonna put keywords, right? You're gonna put keywords in your title, right? And here is what a lot of YouTubers don't mention is that in the description, right? In the description, you have to mention your keywords 3 times. That's it. You have to mention, like, if you're gonna write a description, say how to make money online. Hey guys, on this video, if you're gonna put a description, hey guys, on this video, I'm gonna show you 5 ways to make money online. I know it's the best way to make money online. And if you find value, you want to make money online, right? So that's how you're gonna mention the keyword on your description. So put it on the title, right? Then put it on the description, and you mention your keywords 3 times, right? And then on your tags, you put your keywords there. So take for example, right? So if I would upload that video again, so I would say how to make 1,000 a day blueprint in 2019, right? Then I will describe here in the description how to make 1,000 a day blueprint in 2019. Hey guys, on this video, I will show you, how to make money, make 1,000 a day, right? And blah blah blah, right? And on the keyword, on the tags, you put here how to make 1,000 a day blueprint in 2019. That's one. And the other one is how to make 1,000 a day 1,000 a day blueprint, right? So you put it into chunks. 1,000 a day blueprint 2019. So that's how you put tags in it. And what I like about TubeBuddy is that if you have the pro version, it will also have a suggestion of keywords or tags that you can put into your video, right? So that's how you rank it. So again, put your keywords in your description, right? Put your keywords in your description, in your title, and mention the keywords in your description 3 times, and then break it down in a few tags here based on your keywords. All right, so that will also already help your video rank, and it will help your video be seen or discovered by YouTube and on Google, right? And this is another secret, guys. you're gonna get a lot of value on this one, right? I basically, spent money just to learn this stuff, but since you guys are here and I love you guys and I want you to succeed online, especially on YouTube, I'm gonna share this with you guys. All right, because this type of tip that I'm gonna show you is that people are not actually teaching you this one, but you need to optimize your video file. So how you're gonna do that is that, so this is the raw file that I have, right? So what you're gonna do is you right click, right? Go to properties and then go to details, right? You need to put your title there, subtitle, tags, right? This will help Google and YouTube rank your videos based on your keywords, right? Because when you finish editing your videos, basically you don't have a, so let's say like this one. I don't know if this one is a raw file that doesn't have, I put there. um, Here, I think this one, right? So here, see here, there's no title, there's no ratings, there's no tags, there's no comments, all right? So what you're gonna do is that when you are done editing your video, right, you go to properties again, put the details in, and then put the title, right? It's easy to edit it, just double click here, right? Say how, oh, it's already edited, so let's go here, right? So let's say here, right, put the details, in the description, just double tap it or double click it and say how to make money online in 2019, if that is your keyword, just for example, and your subtitle, how to make money online again in 2019. Tags again, how to make money, then how to make money online. To make money online in 2019, right? And then apply. So by putting this keyword in the description, in the details of your file, your raw file, that will help in ranking your video as well. All right. So this is one tip, guys, that you're not gonna learn just by searching YouTube, right? This is actually taught if you buy somebody's course and if you actually pay for this kind of tip. So because you're here and I really want to help you guys, so that's will be all right. So that's it, guys. So let's do a recap again. Put your keywords, do your keyword research, right? There's a lot of tools that you can, I really recommend. Keywords everywhere, TubeBuddy and vidIQ in YouTube, right? And also there's also one, Uber Suggest. Yes, you can go there. Uber Suggest, you can search keywords there, right? I'll be putting all this link in the description. Uber Suggest. One is Answer the Public, right? You can do your keywords research there. Answer the Public here. Right, so there's a lot of tools that you can do, but basically for me, this is another bonus. I use a simple tool that actually helped me search for specific keywords that doesn't have a lot of competition, and I'm going to share this with you guys. All right, it's a really neat tool. It's called Traffic Extractor. All right, so this is a software that I recently purchased, and it's very helpful. And the good news, guys, it's so inexpensive that it's ridiculous that they actually offer this tool to help you rank your videos much better without any competition at all. So what you're gonna do here, so this is, I'll just show you a short demo on what this tool can do, and I'll be actually it's gonna take a while, so I'll be cutting the video and I'm gonna show you what happens after the software is done. All right, so let's see here, I wanna search for make money online. All right, so let's the software do its thing. So what's the software gonna do is it's gonna search every search engine right there, like Google AdWords, Bing ads, on YouTube, right? there's a lot of there. I forgot where you can. I'm gonna show you later. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video here, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna see some results here right now. And we're back. Now the software has done its research, and the cool thing is I'm gonna show you now. Actually, no, I found out how you can, where the tool is gonna search the keyword in. It's gonna search here Google AdWords, Google Suggest, Google Related, Google Bing, Bing Suggest, Uber Suggest, keywords everywhere, and YouTube API. Oh my gosh! So this tool is so amazing. It's so I mean, I'm having goosebumps right now. So this tool is so amazing that it's gonna literally save you tons of time just researching keywords, right? So just all right. So now we have this results with the make money online keywords. Now it's showing me here that people are searching make money online at home. It has 160 monthly searches, and the YouTube competition is 19. So it's gonna be hard for you to rank your videos because you have 19 competition on that keyword. So what this tool is going to do to help you out is that you can actually filter the results. But before we do that, you can see here there's a lot of keywords that you can target, like make money online as a kid, make money online as a student, make money online affiliate programs, make money as a teenager. It has 480 search results, but you have 20 competition on YouTube. So there's tons. It actually gave me 678 keywords that it harvested based on those search engines, right? So it's make money online books, make money online betting, make money online Reddit, right? Make money online in Canada 2019. Maybe I'll do something about that. Make money online course, make money online chat. See here? So there's a lot of keywords, there's a lot of videos that you can do just based on these keywords, right? So now what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna filter this because we want to rank it higher on YouTube, right? So I write here that the monthly searches is at least more than 100, right? That's what I want. And YouTube competition is less than 5. So that will help me rank my video at least on the first page, right? So when I apply the filter, I will see now this YouTube keywords that I see here that will help me get a chance to rank my videos because I don't have a lot of competition. So right here, make money online chat. Actually, I'm going to do a videos on that, right? Because it has 320 search volume, but only 1 YouTube competition. Boom, that's crazy. Now you can basically make a video on that keyword. Do again, put it on the description, on the title, on the description, and on the tag, and again on the description 3 times, then on the tag, then optimize your video file by editing the title, the subtitle, and the tags. Then you will actually optimize your video on YouTube, right? So it will be searched, and when it's going to be searched, it's going to be ranked higher, and it's going to be on the first page. I almost guarantee it, right? So there's a lot of keywords here that you can make a video based on that keywords. And this tool is so amazing. If you want to grab this tool, right, I'm going to be putting the link down in the description. And when you buy this tool, guys, it's so cheap, but I'm going to drop in a lot of bonus, and it's going to be help you on making YouTube videos, and it's going to be give you more understanding on YouTube, make money on how to make money on YouTube, right? Those sorts of stuff. It's going to be a bonus, and it's going to be worth around 2,700. I'll be putting on a lot of probably 16 courses to help you on your journey on how to make money online. So if you want to grab this tool, Traffic Extractor, and those cool bonuses, just check on the link down below, and you'll be directed to the page on the Traffic Extractor. I think this is the tool that actually I'm really using right now to help me rank my videos and get my visibility in YouTube, right? So Traffic Extractor, if you want to grab it, again, it's on the description down below. All right, guys, so this is it for today. I hope you get value from this video. And before we end the video, again, if you found value, click the subscribe button so that you'll know more videos about this and how to make money online. And give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. All right, so Miller Bread here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.